Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash Wrinkles Monday video. So today we are going to be giving the COL-LAB from Sally's Beauty a shot. It's a Meet Your Matte foundation. And it really doesn't say anything else. It looks really light, so we may have to bronze it up. I've already put my StriVectin anti-wrinkle primer and my Tarte Marine Boost on my face. So I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand. As soon as it comes out. Any minute. Oh wow, it gives you a little tiny pump. I wonder if that means it doesn't need very much, because I did like 3 pumps there now. Okay. I'm just going to dot it on my face. Yes, it's very light, but hopefully, they always look light when I first put them on. I always think they're too light. This one does look too light though. All right, I'm gonna go in with my brush. It's kind of thick. Hopefully that means it's full coverage. I didn't read about it. I've never heard of it. I just went to Sally Beauty to get that Palladio foundation that we tried a few weeks ago. Or a week ago? A few weeks ago. And they had this one too. And it was the packaging that sold me. Because I'd never heard of it. I'm trying to just stipple it so that my primer doesn't get moved around, since it's anti-wrinkle primer. It's wrinkle blurfecting primer. So we want that. Well, it doesn't seem that light at all now, does it? Except my eyes that are so dark. But that's okay, I'll take care of that with concealer. Alright, I think I have it spread out pretty good. So I'm going to go back in with a damp sponge, just to make sure there's no brush marks. Oh my. It looks super, super cakey. Right now that I look closely. Hopefully that's gonna go away. Yeah, that's not good. Because it's cakey on my nose. It has sunk into lines on my forehead. A little bit, but mostly it's just cakey. I'm gonna have to go in and search this out and find out. It probably says already, oh, you're gonna hate this. And I didn't read it. Well, sometimes though, when you put these on, they look kind of cakey, and then once they like settle in, they get better. But this one is really cakey around my nose, and I have a red spot right there, and it's totally still red, and yet I need to blend more to get the cakiness. I don't know, it's not looking good, guys. I feel like it pretty much took it all off, but we're not going to put more on because it would definitely be cakey. So, I'm pretty sure that one's going to get returned. But we're going to test it. We're going to finish testing it. We're going to put on the rest of my makeup, and we're going to wear it to the end of the day. So let's go in with our Shape Tape. I hate to put Shape Tape on top of something that's already cakey, huh? But I'm gonna get some of that Flower Beauty illuminating one that I didn't get to try that when I tried the Flower Beauty foundation. I didn't really like the Flower Beauty foundation. But I wanted to try the concealer too, but they didn't have any. And then when I didn't like the foundation, I just never went back and got it. And now I've seen Casey Holmes and Nutella. They both love it. So it's like, I'm gonna have to try that. So I'm gonna get me some. We're gonna try it. I know I say we all the time. That's me, myself, and I. I don't know why I do that, but I'm probably not gonna stop, so just so you know. Yep, I'm really not liking this foundation. I'm not sure if I can save it. And I can save most. This one is just so cakey. I don't even know if we need to do a wear test, guys. Sinking into lines big time. I just need to powder it quickly. I can do that. Oh no, I can't. I have to put on contour first. So I'll do that. I'll put on contour and then I'll press it out and I'll come back. After I put the rest of my makeup on, I'll come back and I'll show you and we'll decide whether it's even worth a wear test. Okay guys, I am back. And I have to say that I am not liking this foundation. It is sinking into lines big time. I mean, I can barely keep it out. So I am not going to give this an all-day wear test. I am going to wear it to make a couple more videos. I mean, I have to make a vlog video, a part of a vlog video. So I'm gonna wear it for that, and then I'm probably not gonna wear it anymore because, and it's definitely getting taken back because I don't know how much it was. I can't remember, but, and I was gonna look it up and have all that information for you guys, but since it's a negative, I'll tell you, it's called COL-LAB, C-O-L-L-A-B, and I got it at Sally's Beauty. And it's got a great bottle. It's really heavy and the lid is really heavy. It's really nice. It just didn't work out for my skin. It is just so cakey and it sinks into lines. But you know what? The cakiness seems to have gotten a lot better. So probably if you don't have wrinkles, you might want to try it. Because I'm sure it was like less than $15, because I don't think I would have, well, I would have, but I would remember if it was more than that, and I don't remember, so. Okay, so that's the end of this video. It's getting a thumbs down from me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social media, and I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And please, in the comments, leave comments of more foundations or other things that you'd like to see me try and see if they work out for much harder skin. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!